So if we want to display news items, we're going to have to be able to add news items to the database. So we're in the newsadd.php file, which is going to be in the Office directory. And I'll include things like site login, so you have to be a valid user in order to be able to add news items. And after the sidebar, I'm going to have a if is set post display text. So if you've sent me some display text, what do I know? I know you probably want to insert some news, because that's what this program's all about. So let's see, insert news. First thing I'm going to do is get today's date, and then if you've got display text, which of course you should have, because that's the only way you've called insert news, then text equals add slashes of display text. And if you've got the URL, then we add slashes to the URL. And then my SQL statement, insert into news links, pub date, display text, URL, the values, those three values. So we prepare the SQL and then we bind it to those three parameters. And then we execute. And that's all there is to it, to insert the news. Now, if I don't insert the news, what else am I going to do? I'm going to get the news info. That's the purpose. So we need a form to allow for data entry. So form name equals news links, action self, $self. Oh yeah, we better first create a self equals server php underscore self. And I put in my submit button and close my form. So I got that done. In between, I'm putting a table just for presentation purposes. And I've got a row that says display text, input type equals text, this name and ID are both display text. And then a URL, same thing. So that's all we need, is those two items. Once we log in on the Office index, we can then go to the activities menu and we can see add news as one of the options, and it's going to give us those two things, display text and URL. And when we click on add news, well, before we do that, we better first grab the URL and the title. So in this case, Mississippi is sued for an awful veggie burger ban, from a website called reason.com. And when I click add news, all it says is thank you for entering the data.